So at M2, our vision is really to help the manufacturing industry transform the way they operate to produce more products in a fast manner without sacrificing efficiencies and quality along the way. M2 is actually the sister company of Microdesk. Microdesk started probably a few years prior to M2, focused on the AEC world, the built world.
M2 Technologies grew out of Microdesk in the late 90s in order to provide manufacturing customers with the same level of industry focus and expertise that Microdesk had been delivering to architects and civil engineers.
Within the M2 organization, we do have a lot of collaboration. It's encouraged, it's fostered. As mentioned with our sister company, there's a lot of collaboration between M2 and Microdesk. By and large, we do have a wide range of customers, but a lot of our customers are those that make up the products that make up the built world.
Specifically, when we discuss the built world, or as I like to say, the AEC world, it's actually creating a number of opportunities for manufacturers that want to take advantage of it. In the AEC space, it's called BIM, the Building Information Modeling. It's akin to a digital prototype in the manufacturing world. Specifically into the BIM environment, our partnership with Microdesk gives us a really unique opportunity to understand what it is the owner-operators, the prime contractors, the prime architects are looking for data. Helping folks understand what is BIM is actually a challenge in and of itself. But beyond that, it's helping them identify and look for those opportunities where they can gain value. Cutting-edge manufacturers, leading manufacturers, the folks that are going to be relevant 50 years from now, that make the doors, walls, windows, the mechanical equipment, etc., are really going to look at BIM as an opportunity to figure out ways not only to deliver electronic-based content, but they're going to understand how to create unique value within that realm to give them a competitive advantage.